So what are molecules? By definition, it is formed by the chemical combination of atoms. You can relate them with a compound. Compound के साथ उसको relate कर सकते हैं molecule को. It is formed by the chemical combination. Chemical combination का मतलब कोई bonding नहीं. Either similar or different. They exist independently and show all the properties of that substance. We have some elemental molecules, जैसे कि hydrogen or hydrogen make up H2. Then we have some molecular compounds, जैसे कि carbon plus oxygen, two different elements combine to make a molecular compound. Now, if we classify these molecules on the basis of numbers of atoms, now we have monatomic, we have diatomic, and we have polyatomic as well. Now, monatomic molecules by definition means that molecule made up of one atom. For example, noble gases. If I tell you to write me the symbol of a noble gas, of argon, you're only going to write argon. You cannot write Ar2, Ar3, nahi. जैसे कि neon, Ne only, which means this exists independently, ये भी Ne1 ही है. These are monatomic molecules. Whereas diatomic molecules are the ones which do not exist independently and made up of two atoms. If I tell you to write oxygen, you cannot write O. You have to write O2. Nitrogen, N2. फिर carbon monoxide, CO, two atoms हैं. Chlorine, Cl2. Group 7 के जो सारे halogens हैं, they are all diatomic. Then we have polyatomic, more than two atoms, जैसे कि H2SO4. H2SO4. We have hydrogen as well, we have sulfur as well, and we have oxygen as well. We have CH4. CH4 is also a polyatomic. We have one carbon, four hydrogen. Total how many atoms? 5 atoms. NH3, one nitrogen, three hydrogens. 4 atoms combined make up a polyatomic. So this is the difference between monatomic, diatomic, and polyatomic molecules. Now, if we classify those molecules on the basis of similar or dissimilar atoms, we have homatomic molecules, which are the molecules made up of the same atoms, such as hydrogen, oxygen, ozone, O3, S8 sulfur, P4 हो गया phosphorus. ठीक है, ये सब भी आपके पास किसी ना किसी नंबर. जब हमने ओजोन लिखना तो we have to write O3, oxygen O2. Heteroatomic molecules क्या होते हैं? Molecules made up of different atoms. ठीक है, you can relate them with polyatomic atoms. Polyatomic molecules or heteroatomic molecules are relatively the same. The atoms must be different. HCl contains hydrogen and chlorine. H2O contains hydrogen and oxygen. NH3 contains nitrogen and hydrogen.